Hey guys, what's going on? I'm back again, and today we're gonna make some galaxy shoes. I don't know if you've ever seen these before. I have, and I've wanted to make them for a really long time. So today we're gonna try it out. Hopefully it goes well. I've seen some that have gone really bad, and I've seen some that look really cool. So I'm hoping that mine turned out really cool. I'm gonna go through the things that you need. You're gonna need a pair of shoes. I'm gonna stick with white. That's what everyone else seems to use. I even got little baby ones. I'm gonna make these for my niece, and then we're gonna be able to match. So shoes, Sharpies. Picked a variation of blues, pinks, and purples. Yeah, any colors that you want. I'm gonna try these out. I think that it's gonna look really cool. You're gonna want some rubbing alcohol and a spray bottle. And then last, some fabric paint so that you can put some stars on there. I bought glow in the dark because I thought this would be like a really cool, different thing that I haven't seen anybody else do. So I did a little practice round with this bandana. It turned out really cool. I will say I was trying it on a pair of old Converse, and it must have been the fabric because it just wasn't bleeding, kind of how you see there. And it did not look good, so I was kind of getting a little scared. But now that I tried this, I'm feeling a lot more confident that it's gonna work on these shoes. Okay, to start, I'm gonna take off these shoelaces. You can leave them on if you want and color them in. I've taken my shoelaces off. The next step, we're just gonna start coloring them. When I was testing it out on my Converse, I tried a few different ways. I kind of tried like doing big patches and just random kind of like squares around. The best way was the way I did this, which I used skinny, jagged lines kind of randomly and really close together, and it seemed to work the best. So we're gonna try that on the shoes. Okay, I'm just gonna start drawing lines and we're gonna see how it goes. Kind of as you're going, you're gonna start spraying the rubbing alcohol on it, and it's gonna start bleeding, and you can fill in the spots where it seemed like it's missing color, or you wanna kind of make it a little darker in areas. Did it two different ways. The first way I kind of did my small little squiggly lines, kind of anywhere I wanted. And then on the side, I did the squiggles, but I did them right next to each other. And I think I kind of like that better. It kind of makes it feel more space-like, so I'm gonna do that with the rest of the shoe. So far, looking pretty cool. I still need to do the tongue. That might be kind of difficult. We'll find out. We're gonna let it sit for about an hour. Most of it's pretty dry, but just to make sure the rest of it dries, and I'll go ahead and work on the other shoe while it's drying. I finally finished. I like this one a little better. What I did on this one is I tried to make the lines as long as possible, and then I kind of repeated the same color pattern, or you can just wing it, kind of like I did on this shoe. I'm gonna do little baby shoes. These took a lot longer than I think these are going to. now that I finished both my shoes, here are my shoes. These ones are still wet. These are dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my stars on. For the stars, I'm gonna use this fabric paint. I'm gonna put dots on it. You pretty much just apply a light pressure so that the paint doesn't come out in huge globs. Yeah, just put them however many you want. It's just up to you. Finally finished, and I am so excited about these. These look so cool. They're still kind of drying from the fabric glue, but I went ahead and laced one up so you could kind of see what the complete finished product looks like. These look amazing. Penelope's look awesome too. This project was so much fun. I loved this. It did take some practice and kind of trial and error to get everything right. I think the best way to do this is to start with one color and kind of make one line as long as possible just around the whole shoe, and then kind of have a pattern of colors and just go through that pattern so that both your shoes kind of look similar. That way they look like an actual pair. But I didn't do that with mine, and they still look really cool together. It's whatever you want to do. Yeah, I'm super excited to wear these and go out at night. I think you have to get some sunlight to activate it, so keep that in mind. But yeah, this project was really fun, really cool. I'm so glad I finally did it. Yeah, I can't wait to wear these. Okay, well, I'm gonna try these on and show you how they look. And I already checked, they do glow in the dark, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to show it on film. So we'll just try it out and see how it goes. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you liked what you saw, subscribe, click the bell, comment below if you have any other ideas for me. I'm having a lot of fun and actually trying out things that I wanted to do for so long. And I have so many ideas, but I'd love to hear what you guys think or if you have any ideas for me. That's it. I hope you guys had an awesome day. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.